Hi friends, I am going to tell you how to remove sections from Microsoft Word documents. You can see there is section 3, first section, second, third. So also they included their own custom number systems for each sections. I want to remove all those sections. Okay. I firstly I go to the I close the header and footer. Then my cursor here. Then I will go to the find home and replace. Then click on a special button. Then you can find section break. Okay, this is a section break. Now you can click on replace all. Okay, all done. We have made two replacement. Okay friends, now you can find there is everything in one sections before the other all sections are removed. Okay, now you can use this technique to remove sectional breaks in your Microsoft Word document. If you have any problems, you can comment below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for next video.